Good morning, everyone. So one of the deductions that we see on tax returns, personal tax returns all the time, that is commonly overlooked is childcare expenses. These are expenses that you incurred to earn money while you were working or incurred while you're going to school. Okay, and they must be claimed by the person with the lowest net income, okay, in most cases. And these are things like any sort of caregivers, like babysitters, daycare centers, before and after school programs, any camps where there's lodging, or day camps. If the main purpose of that day camp is to provide childcare, then they can be claimed. Okay. Now, who can provide those childcare services? Anybody, essentially, who's not related to you. So you cannot have a parent charge you for the parent of the child. Can't charge for babysitting services, which I'm not sure how that would even work. And you can't have you can't pay your 14-year-old kid to take care of your 5-year-old kid. That also doesn't work. But nieces and nephews, aunts and uncles, absolutely. Parents, brothers, sisters, brother and sister-in-laws, their children doesn't count. Okay. Any of your common spouse children also don't count. Those are considered to be related to you. So things you can't claim any transportation costs, any clothing costs. You can't claim, and this is one that we see all the time, you can't claim sports clubs dues for the kids. Okay. So if they're in a camp and that camp is a sports camp, you have to determine whether or not that was more of a daycare thing or if that was sports development, okay, in order to claim that stuff. And that determination is kind of going to be on your shoulders to determine which category that fits under, okay? And now, if you pay for a live-in nanny, then there's a whole bunch of other stuff that you need to worry about. For instance, is that person actually an employee of yours? Do you need to remit EI? And then you can claim EI as a childcare expense. So there's a lot to it. It is something that's overlooked, and it is a good deduction if both parents have healthy income. It can mean a lot of money back at the end of the year. So I hope that if you do have childcare expenses, you are claiming them. So I hope that helps. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your friends, and be well.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all of which are linked in the description below. We're more than just an accounting firm. We do business consulting and media creation for our small businesses. Consider checking us out. It would really mean a lot. Hope to see you soon.